Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 27. Indeed, certain is death for the born, and certain is birth for the dead. Therefore, over the inevitable, you should not grieve.
Chapter 2, Shloka 27. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuho dhruvam janma mritasya cha tasmad pariharyerte na tvam shochitum arhasi.
Chapter 2, Shloka 27. In the previous shlokas, even after listening to the highest knowledge of the self, the philosophical view from Lord Krishna, Arjuna still didn't believe that the self was unchanging. But Lord did not give up. In the previous shloka, stating the materialist's view as the self being constantly born and constantly dying, Lord said that even if you think so, you should not grieve. In this shloka, Lord explains to Arjuna that over the inevitable, you should not grieve. The common point over which the philosophers and the materialists agree is that life is a continuous series of births and deaths. Their disagreement is as follows: that which is born must die, then after death it is born again, is the general view of the materialists. They don't know from where the form came and after death where it goes. The philosopher considers the births and deaths as a journey of the individual ego to express itself and continues till it comes to know itself by growing in its understanding and realizing the truth, which is its final destination. Since the series of births and deaths are common to both viewpoints and are inevitable, therefore there is no cause for grief. If I am out in the sun on a cold winter day to get some warmth, then to complain about the discomfort of the glare will be unwise. One cannot be without the other. Grief can only be a symptom of delusion due to our own ignorance. Since we are born as human beings and have a choice, instead of not doing anything and brooding, we must develop the correct attitude and face challenges smilingly by treating life as a sport, which is a mixture of victory and defeat for our enjoyment and growth. So Lord wants Arjuna to stop grieving and keep smiling. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.